Jack needs a medic. Hold on, we're taking heavy fire.
Don't rush anything.
I can't even move.
Where is he? Yeah,
Barrier right in front of me.
Where's enemy?
All the way down. I know, I just tagged 2 or 3. I could give you covering if you want.
Yeah. They're down 3.
Hold on.
Hey, hold fire.
Cover. 1, 2. Alright, this is a little board. Just 5+ straight down, you'll be able to see them. They're laying down a little bit, but you'll see the black that they're wearing. Yeah, there go 2.
Got your camera on?
Yeah. Huh?
Done?
Yeah, I'm good.
There's a guy up there on the scout, probably about 10 yards out.
Woo!
Yeah.
I got mud all caked in my pistol. I forgot that I had that thing.
Yeah, no, I was thinking about just taking mine off and not running it. I feel like I got dirt.
Oh, I just dropped the mag. Oh, there it is. At least we got Frank with that M60.
They're starting to move up on the right down there.
Yeah. Yeah, like that's gonna do anything. Reload. I'm up. Hey, keep watch on top of us. Because that one guy tried to get up around us. We've got a couple. That's their spawn right there.
Yeah, but this guy's walking to a spawn. I don't think he's a medic. He's down.
No, that's their respawn.
Yeah, but if we get hit...
You can choose to go back to respawn.
Oh, okay. Fuck, I just should have gone back to
Got him. He's down. Hold on. I can see his board. I'll wait till he pops his head out and I'll take him.
Okay.
Got him. He's down. All right, one. Whew, one on our left.
Actually, might be 2. How far left? 25 yards.
25 yards.
Yeah.
11. Jeez, Rex.
Is that?
Yeah, that's Rex. He's laying down on that M60.
Yeah. Don't we have a guy with a 60?
Across the creek.
He's on the tree. See him moving? Yeah, they're all starting to move down that way.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus Christ.
They got a medic now, so watch it.
One's moving left. Shoot them hit. Oh, I see him behind the bunker.
I'm watching our left right now.
There's a guy on the right pallet.
I love when you see the BBs coming at you and you're like, oh, duck.
Oh yeah, you have time to duck.
Yeah, you're like, ah.
In real life, you don't have that. You got nothing. See anybody on the right? Across the street? No.
No. Hey, try to find where Vicious is.
They're down there.
Down where?
Down in that area.
Okay.
We were really surprised one of them didn't hit him.
Yeah, reload.
Ooh, that was close.
Oh, this guy's back. I see him. I see him. I'm gonna switch to full auto. Oh. He didn't call that? Watch to the left. Left! That was a ricochet.
Yeah. Okay, that guy's still behind the pallet.
Left side, right side, middle?
Middle down there. Yeah. Left, right on our side.
Okay. Trying to look behind, in between these cracks. Oh, I seen him. I got Liam shooting right over my head. Yup. Huh?
Try to shoot underneath the bunker. Got that big hole.
I know I'm trying, but you keep on shooting over my head. Hey, hey, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead. Right there, right there. Watch yourself. Hey, they're in the trench below us. Oh, shit, I'm sorry.
You're good.
He's down, he's down.
He's down there, good.
Yep. Yeah, they're looking straight at us, so. My gun is shooting on its own, it's sticking. There goes that mag. Reload.
Where's the guy with the 60 at? I can't even see him.
I don't know.
In that brush?
Yeah, I have no clue. I don't know if he got hit or what. Never mind.
Yeah, they're just all up on that pallet.
Mm-hmm.
There's one that's in the middle.
Woo-hoo-hoo! That went straight over my head. Jeez.
Nice shit, Renee.
Hey, you know that little one right in front of you right here?
Yeah.
There's one behind that one too.
Okay.
Yeah, he just now got back there. That's the one that almost got me.
On the boom.
Jeez. Yeah, he's the one shooting at us now.
Just I have an idea. I'm gonna hold a stick up. Stick up.
You see him? You see him right there? Moving?
Yeah, he's down.
He's on, he's on. Yo!
We're gonna have about 4 to 5 guys reinserting right there.
I know, this is kind of pointless. We need to move.
Yeah. You wanna fall back? You wanna go down there? Or?
Yeah!
What's he facing over there? Good, I'm already hit. I'm hit. Medic here. Yeah, we got a medic up here. That guy has to No, just Jack.
Stay down, stay down.
You want to try? And then you can try. Hey, Leo. Oh. We can use you right now. Just keep him down.
See, look at this. Look, no, my trigger. Now I know where he is. Hey, they're all around us. Hey, watch that side too, or else, yeah, right over there. Trent, push up this trail. He's sitting right there.
Alright, a few more people need to go with
Oh, pistol.
Alright, they're going that way. Hey, Justice. You want to take you and Sutton and then go this way? Oh, wait, no, that would be no problem. If we can get people out in the field, covering from this way.
See, they're in the field. Look, look, they are right there. Fire him up.
Go around that side.
They're in there, they're in there, they're in there. Push, go, go.
Push it. Go. Move. Let's go. Move.
Back to our base. Cover fire! Vicious, we good? Hey, R6!
Spread left, go! Go. Tree line, go, spread left!
I need an escort.
We'll take it.
No, I just need an escort.
Go. Where are they?
Don't know. We gotta go across this bridge though.
There's only one of them.
Go!
You go.
Alright.
Everybody forward! Go, go! Go!
Hold your fire, coming through.
Go.
How you boys doing? Yeah, it's on video. You guys doing good? Hey, we need a medic! We need a medic! Right there, behind you.
Watch your left! Here, how about, hey, we don't need so many people in there. Everybody stand out right side. What's your license? What? You're good, Jake.
5 feet apart.
Go. Are those our guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch out. Taking fire right up at the end of the bridge. ¿dónde está